That is a tremendous responsibility. Freedom brings responsibility. Of course, there is no such thing as freedom without responsibility. Stop. Irresponsibility itself means lack of freedom. Stop. Therefore, we have to be conscious of this tremendous burden of responsibility which freedom has brought, the discipline of freedom and the organized way of working freedom. Stop. But there is something even more than that. Stop. The freedom that has come to India by virtue of many things inevitably leads India to play an important part in world affairs. Stop. It is not a question of our choosing this or that, it is an inevitable consequence of what India is and what a free India must be. Stop. And because we have to play that inevitable part in world affairs, we have another and greater responsibility. Stop. Para. Sometimes, with all my hope and optimism and confidence in my nation, I rather quake at the great responsibilities that are being thrust upon us and which we cannot escape. Stop. If we get tied up in our narrow controversies, we may forget this. Stop. Whether we forget it or not, that responsibility is there. Stop. If we forget it, we fail in that measure. Stop. Therefore, I would beg of this House to consider these great responsibilities that have been thrust upon India and on us in this House, because we represent India in this as in many other spheres, and to work together in the framing of the Constitution, always keeping that in view, for the eyes of the world are upon us and the hopes and aspirations of a great part of the world are also upon us. Stop. Para. We dare not be little. If we do so, we do an ill service to our country and to the hopes and aspirations of other countries that surround us. It is in this way that I would like the House to consider this Constitution. First of all, to keep the objectives resolution before us and to see how far we are going to act upon it, how far we are going to build up, as we said in the resolution, an independent sovereign republic wherein all power and authority of the sovereign independent India, its constituent parts and organs of government are derived from the people, and wherein shall be guaranteed and secured to all the people of India justice, social, economic, and political equality of status, of opportunity, and before the law, freedom of thought expression, belief, and worship.